Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online in 2026, step by step. Digital products are one of the best online business models because you create the product once and sell it repeatedly without inventory, shipping, or storage. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to create digital products, choose the right platform, set up your store, and start making sales online and print money. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what digital products are. Digital products are items that customers can download or access online instead of receiving a physical product. Common examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, digital planners, stock photos, design assets, music or sound effects, software tools. These products are delivered instantly after purchase, making them scalable and profitable. Step 2. Choose the right type of digital product. Before creating anything, choose product category that has real demand. Popular digital products in 2026 include social media templates, AI prompts and toolkits, Notion or productivity templates, printable planners, Canva templates, educational guides, stock video packs. The best approach is to solve a problem. If your product saves time or helps someone achieve a goal faster, it will sell more easily. Step 3. Research market demand. Before building your product, check if people are already buying similar items. You can research on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify. Look for products with many reviews, trending categories, customer feedback about what they want improved. This research helps you create a product people actually want. Okay? Step 4. Create your digital product. It's time to create the product. You can use Canva for template, right? You can see right here a book template. Notion for productivity systems, right? Google Docs for ebooks or guides, right? Examples: if you sell planners, design them in Canva. If you sell an ebook, write it in Google Docs. If you sell templates, create editable designs, and you can export the final product as a PDF, zip file, template link, downloadable files. Step 5. Choose a platform to sell your product. Next, you would choose where you want to sell your digital product. Popular platforms include Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, Seller. Okay? Each platform has advantages. Etsy gives you built-in traffic. Gumroad is very easy to start with. Shopify offers full control over branding and scaling. Okay, so step 6. Okay, upload and list your product. Okay, after choosing a platform, upload your product. You will need to add product title, description, product images or mockups, price, download file. For digital products, product presentation is extremely important. Use a clear mockups that show what customers will receive. So go ahead to the products, hit new product here for Gumroad, for example. Choose the product, ebook, course or tutorial, membership, digital product, and add the name of the product. Next, you're gonna add the price, continue. Add the name, description, URL, cover as a thumbnail for the book or the ebook or digital product, in the thumbnail here too. And the CTA, call to action. I want this, buy this, pay. Summary. You will get, and you're gonna describe, of course, the features of getting this product. Okay, you're gonna tell them why you want them to buy this product. You're gonna save, continue. Okay. Add, of course, here where you're gonna add, of course, the content of your book. Okay. Of course, upload files. All right. And here you're gonna see the receipt, right? Customize the download button, text or receipt and product pages, custom message if you want to, and then hit share. This is where you're gonna upload, of course, your product. All right. Step 7. Set the right price. Pricing depends on the type and value of your product. Examples: simple templates, $5 to $15. Guides or ebooks, 10 to 30. Courses, 50 to 300. You can also create bundles to increase revenue. For example, one template, $10. Bundle of templates, $39. Bundles increase average order value. Step 8. Promote your digital products. After publishing a product, you need traffic. Popular promotion strategies in 2026 include content marketing, short-form video, social media tutorials, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing. Platforms that work well include TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Example content ideas like show how your template works, share productivity tips, create tutorial using your product. This builds trust and drives sales. Step 9. Automate delivery. One major benefit of digital products is automatic delivery. Once customer buys, the platform sends the download link automatically. No manual work is needed. This allows you to sell 24/7 globally. All right. Step 10. Scale your digital product business. Once your first product sells, focus on scaling. Ways to scale include creating more products in the same niche, offering bundles or premium versions, building an email list, creating tutorials that promote your products, launching affiliate programs. The goal is to build a full digital product ecosystem instead of selling just one. Here are mistakes many beginners make. Creating products without research, pricing is too low, ignoring product presentation, not promoting consistently, launching only one product. Successful sellers usually build multiple products and test what works best. Here is the easiest way now to start. Okay, to summarize everything. Research digital product ideas, create simple product, upload it to a marketplace, create social media content, drive traffic to your listing, improve based on feedback. This process alone allows you to build a profitable digital product business over time. Selling digital products in 2026 is one of the most accessible online business models. With the right idea, simple tools, and consistent promotion, anyone can create a product once and sell it to customers around the world. The key is to focus on solving real problems and building useful products that people actually need. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.